Welcome to my channel once again. Are you one of those who are finding it difficult to verify YouTube Step 2 AdSense verification? So in today's video, we're going to show you how you can successfully verify your AdSense Step 2 problem without spending much time. So if this is your first time of coming to our channel, consider subscribing for upcoming useful videos. A lot of YouTubers are facing this kind of problem, especially after they have successfully completed their 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. So here is what you will do whenever you have this kind of problem. First of all, if it comes to AdSense verification, you should not use YouTube Studio. That is, you should use whether Chrome or Firefox, but it's preferable to use Firefox. So what you will do firstly is to go to Firefox and log in your YouTube account again. So follow as I'm going to do it now. As you can see, I have successfully opened my YouTube Studio through Firefox. So what you would have to do now is to click on that $sign, which is monetization. So it have taken me to this place, and you can see where we're having problem here. Your associated access account was disapproved. This may be due to an existing account. Your recent email from access no reply google.com has more details. So here all you need to do is to click on fees in AdSense. That is, click on fees in AdSense here. Loading, you have to be patient. Please consider subscribing to our channel for our upcoming useful videos. So after clicking on fees in AdSense, it will show you processing, please wait. If you have been experiencing this, you don't need to worry. All you have to do is that means you have logged in your Chrome before. Go to your Chrome, go to setting and enter Chrome, then clear all data. Then after you have cleared all the data, don't touch Chrome. Leave Chrome and go back to the Firefox again. Enter your login details to your YouTube. Then in this case, you will not see processing, please wait again. It will direct you to the YouTube Studio where you can do all the changes. So kindly go and do it now. So after that is done, you come back again and click on that change association. When you click on change association, it will show you this. You will be redirected to access complete this step. So click on this arrow. Then here are the three options. One, yes, I have an existing account. Second one is no, I don't have an existing account. And the third one is simply I don't know. So what you click on now is no, I don't have an existing account. Then click on continue. So what you will do is you will see three accounts here. You can see my Gmail here. So you don't have to click on any of them. Simply click on use another account. Use another account. Then click on create account. That is create account. Then click on for myself. Here you have to enter your legit name, so the name you want to bear on your Gmail. Then so here you have to click on create a new Gmail address. Then enter the Gmail address you want to bear. Then enter your password. So here you have to select your date of birth. So in that place of recovery Gmail or phone number, just forget about it. Don't touch there. Don't touch there. You understand? Just come to this place now. Enter your date of birth. So go to gender and select your gender. Kindly click on next. So here you have to click on agree, I agree, and create your Gmail account. Now it will take you to the AdSense, that is, it will redirect you to the AdSense. Your everything are here, that is, the information are here now. Get more information, you can click on yes here, then scroll down, select your country. For instance, I'm from Nigeria, so go down and click on Nigeria. This is Nigeria here. Then scroll down, keep on scrolling, click on yes, I have read and accept the agreement, then click on create account. Now here is this, you have to enter your address 1, address 2, suburb, town, postcode, state, and phone number. And phone number there is optional. You have to enter your address in that address line. Address line 1, enter your address. You can use any address provided is place you are familiar with. Your suburb is the village you are living in. Then town is the same thing as your village. Then your postcode, your state postcode. If you don't know it, click on this sign here. Then it will take you to place you don't know, find it. So click here. It's going to show us all the states in Nigeria and their postal code. So here are the states and their postal code. You can see so many of them here. Come to Kogi here. You can see the postal code of Kogi. Copy it. So go back to the main. Then on postal code there, paste your postal code. Then select your state. Select your state here. You can see Kogi. Then in that place of phone number, enter your phone number. But you should make sure that it is not the phone number that is connected, that you used it before. That is, you are going to use new phone number here. So this is my own new phone number. Then click on submit. Now here is it. You have to click on text SMS message, then click on send. They'll send you verification code right now. Then they'll send you a verification code. So this is the verification code now. So finally submit. Click on submit. Then redirect yourself to your studio now. It's loading, just have to wait. So as you can see, it have changed to in progress, and this thing will be, you will be accepted after 2 days or after 1 day self. So this is the shortest and easiest way to face to YouTube 2-step or step 2 verification problem. So if you find this video useful, please subscribe to our channel for upcoming useful videos. Thanks for watching.